here's a video for you guys that's long awaited, because I know a lot of you have been waiting for this. We're going to be doing the top speed run on this bike. Right now we're still running stock gearing, so we are on a 75 tooth sprocket, what they come with, and then a 12 front. So the bike is just a stage 1 right now at the moment, so it's just a Go Power Sports stage 1. And yeah, so it's just the it's just the intake, jet, and then exhaust. So let's see what the top speed on it. Still has a governor, still has everything. Let's see what the top speed is on it right now, and let's see, and we can improve it. So let's turn this on real quick. Alright, give it a quick second to warm up. So, alright. Let me get the speed app real quick going on my phone. Alright, let's see. Okay, so I got the speed app going. Alright, let's see how fast it is. So just stage 1. Oh, wheelies. So it hits that governor pretty quick, but it does wheelie like hell off the line. Let's check this real quick. Shut this off real quick. Let's check it. Let's see. So it's saying we hit 36.6. Okay. It's not bad. Let's try it again. So you can hear the governor hit pretty quick, but that's still pretty quick, only 36. Whoa. So this is a bone stock Predator. So that's pretty quick, only 36 miles an hour, still has the governor. And it wheelies. It's not bad, it runs actually pretty good. But we will be deleting that governor. And we got a lot of mods for this bike. We got a lot of stuff we're going to be doing to it, so yeah, you see that? It just picks up the wheel at any time. But yeah, this is cool. So we're gonna do sprockets. We got a lot of sprocket different setups to try. Remove the governor on it, put some billet parts, change the carburetor to a different style. So we will be building up this bike, but I'm definitely impressed with the speed. It's not bad at all. Holy shit. Damn, this thing's fast. Alright, let's give it a try here. I know all my older subscribers will remember this place because I bring all my bikes here to try them out. I don't know if this is a good bike to bring in here though, because this thing just wheelies. Yeah, this thing is sick. Holy. Yeah, this thing's awesome. So let's double check our speed real quick. Shut this off real fast. Just double check it. So 39, I don't know if you guys could see that, 39 miles an hour. So we did get faster. Cool. So 39 bone stock. I mean bone stock as in with the governor still in it. So that's not bad. So that's a good little baseline. I should have probably done it before I had any of the stage ones, but it's okay. So it's not bad at all. All right, well, thanks you guys for watching this video, this little short video on the bike. It was not bad. It's pretty quick actually. We will be doing more modifications to it, so stick around, you know, let people know, like the video, subscribe, and I will be doing, you know, little giveaways on stuff, motors, stuff like that, and I will be probably doing a raffle on the other bike, or I will be giving it away depending on if we can get up our subscriber count. So, you know, anything helps you guys. So all right, I appreciate you guys, and as always, thank you for watching, and until the next video.